Hi to all. Now we can see the execution of ALP program, that is smallest number in an array. To find the smallest number in an array in 8085 microprocessor kit. So I am going to start initializing the program. Exam memory 8000. I am taking the initial address. I am giving the hexa code value for the instruction, that is 3E. Next, FF. Next, 21. Next, 50. Next, 80. Next, 4E. Next, 4E. Wait, 4E. Next, 23. Next, BE. Next, DA. Next, OC. Next, 80. Next, 7E. Next, 0D. Next, C2. Next, 06. Next, 80. Next, 32. Next, 50. Next, 90. Next, 76. Next, reset. In the program, I initiated that to give the input values. In the previously, like we have seen the largest number in an array to find out. Likewise, here we have to give the count number in first address location, that is 8050. That is 8050. I am giving the count. 04 I am giving first. So next, up to 4 locations it will take. 1 2 3 4 51 52 53 54. So 8051 I am giving 8. Next, 0. Next, 1. Next, and execute. Go 8000. Execute. Exam memory. Same wise, I'm given an input value to take the output location, that is 9050. That is the smallest value is 00. Okay, so we got the execution correctly. Then we can try for the next value. Go to the exam memory 8050. I am giving the count 5. Next, I am giving the address 12, 13, 11, 14, 15. So as per the given input value, the 11 is the 11 is the smallest value. Okay, click execute. Go 8000. Execute. Then see the output value at 9050. That is 11. Exactly, we got the output. Thank you.